What if I told you that in 2025, a dire wolf was born? Not in a dream, not in a movie, but in real life, in a high-security lab, hidden from the public, tucked deep within a research facility somewhere in North America. A newborn pup, unlike any other, opened its eyes. This is the story of the first direwolf puppy born in 10,000 years. Is it real? A hoax? A government secret? Or the beginning of something much bigger? Welcome to Beyond Reality, where we dive into the shadows of truth, myth, and the unexplained. It all started with a blurry photo. A tiny, black-furred puppet's snout, longer than a typical wolf's. Paws, oversized eyes, glowing faintly in the flash. The photo was supposedly leaked by a lab assistant who claimed to have witnessed the birth of the world's first modern dire wolf. Within hours, it was shared across deep web forums, then Reddit, and eventually trickled onto mainstream conspiracy pages. Some called it fake. Others called it proof of de-extinction programs the public was never told about. But it didn't stop there. See, this isn't just sci-fi. In 2021, researchers actually sequenced the full genome of the direwolf for the first time. What they found was shocking. The direwolf wasn't closely related to gray wolves at all. It was a completely separate lineage, cut off for millions of years. This genetic difference made many scientists say, we'll never bring them back. But what if someone tried anyway? With today's gene editing, tech, CRISPR, cloning, synthetic DNA, some say it is possible to rebuild a creature close enough. Combine the dire wolf genome with a surrogate species, like a modern wolf or even a large dog, and maybe, just maybe, a pup could be born. The person behind the leak didn't just drop a photo. They gave a name. Project Fenrir. An alleged military-funded experiment operating under a biomedical front in northern Canada, close to a facility used for cold weather testing. They claimed the newborn was the third attempt. The first two had died within hours. But the third, born strong, breathing, feeding, described as larger than a normal pup, with rapid cell growth and unusually advanced cognitive signs. The puppy was said to bond only with one handler and growl at everyone else. The project's goal: unknown. The funding source: classified. Some believe it's an experiment in biological weapons. Others think it's about conservation or cloning, elite predator species for private collectors. Either way, the public wasn't supposed to know. Let's ask the big question: could a dire wolf pup really be born in 2025? Here's what we know. The tech exists. The genome exists. The motive, plausible. If not, terrifying. We've already brought back animals like the Pyrenean ibex for a few minutes. scientists are working on resurrecting the woolly mammoth. So, why not a dire wolf? And what makes this so mysterious is how quiet everything has gone. After that one leak, the source vanished. Accounts deleted. Emails bounced. Even reversing searches of the photo were scrubbed. Is that normal internet noise? Or was someone told to be silent? So let's imagine it's true. Right now, in a hidden lab, a baby dire wolf, just weeks old, is growing, getting stronger, smarter, learning the world not through instincts passed down for centuries, but in a completely human-controlled environment. What happens if it escapes? What happens if someone tries to raise it? Or worse, clone an entire pack? Are we ready to live in a world where ancient apex predators walk beside us again? Or have we opened a door that should have stayed closed? This is the mystery of the newborn dire wolf of 2025. Real or rumor? The story has already changed how people see the future of science and the monsters of the past. Let us know what you think. Would you want to see a real dire wolf again? Or should we leave the Ice Age where it belongs? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your theories in the comments. This is Beyond Reality, where fact and fear collide.